Today I'm going to show you how to touch up your makeup in 5 minutes, literally. It's going to be so quick, so easy, but more specifically, this is going to be a tutorial to show you like from daytime to nighttime makeup in 5 minutes. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to be using my Makeup by Mario Masters Matte Palette, and I'm just picking this one because it's really compact and easy to keep in your bag. And I'm going to be taking a very, very small, you can use like a pencil brush, you can use an extremely tiny blending brush, anything that is small and detailed. And I'm just stippling that into my outer corner. And I'm just going right over any makeup that I have, you guys. I'm not taking anything off. This is going to be really, really quick. This is like after work on a Friday and your friends ask to go out for drinks and you just want a little spruce up throughout the day, you know? Or just anything if you want just a little spruce up for any nighttime event. And now, you guys, we're going to be taking a somewhat thin blending brush and we're just going to be going in with these two shades right over here. Now, if your eyelids get oily throughout the day, and we're just putting that right on top, blending that out. So if your eyelids get oily throughout the day, don't even worry about it. You can just pat down and like wipe with your finger. Or you can even bring primer if you want like a new base or anything. But I just don't think for me that it's so necessary. So I'm not doing that. Okay. This is literally so quick, you guys. So easy. So quick. Okay, you guys, now we're just going to be mixing these two shades right over here with a larger blending brush and going even further up like so. This really does take like 5 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. It's so easy. This is like one of my most favorite tricks to do. Now we're gonna go in with the same brush that we used for this darker shade, and we're going to just apply these two shades. We're gonna mix on our hands. This is still gonna have a little bit of that darker pigment, and we're just gonna go underneath a tiny little bit. Okay, you guys, now we're just going to be mixing these two shades right over here with a larger blending brush and going even further up like so. This really does take like 5 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. It's so easy. This is like one of my most favorite tricks to do. Now we're gonna go in with the same brush that we used for this darker shade, and we're going to just apply these two shades. We're gonna mix on our hands. This is still gonna have a little bit of that darker pigment, and we're just gonna go underneath a tiny little bit. Okay, now taking the same brush that we used for our second shade, I'm not adding any more product. I'm just taking that and blending this out. Like so. And this is like, it's so stupid easy, you guys, and looks so nice. This is just a quick, like very quick fix. It's just great. Now, you guys, you can skip this step, but personally, I'm just going to add a little bit more contour right over the contour that I already have, just because when I'm going out, I like it to be a little bit darker than my daytime contour. You can also add eyeliner if you wanted to, but only if you want to. It's not like mandatory. It will make it a little bit more dramatic, but totally up to you. Okay, I'm gonna do the same with my blush, just adding a tiny little bit more. I say tiny little bit, but I love blush, so a lot of it more. Now I am going to leave my brows alone and all that stuff. I am going to throw on some lashes. This will take you a couple more minutes, but honestly, if you want to be like way more dramatic with your look, then you can use them. But if you don't want to use them and this is enough for you, then this is totally fine. You don't even have to apply any more mascara. It's just like perfect how it is. You guys can also put on false lashes if you want. I'm not going to, just because I wouldn't feel like doing that after work, but I am just going to apply like a very, very small extra layer of mascara just in case any of the powder went onto my lashes and dulled them even a tiny little bit. But you can even skip this step if you feel like your lashes are totally fine. This is another reason why I love waterproof mascaras, because they will stay throughout the day. For my lips, you guys, I have the best tip ever, and that is just getting a Q-tip and just going very lightly around your lips like this. You don't want to go too hard because you don't want to take off a lot of your foundation or anything, but even just look like this is just makeup from throughout the day. So this is from eating or drinking or anything where your lipstick goes down, and then you can just reapply your lipstick as normal, which I'm going to do. If you feel like you need it, only if you feel like you need it, if your skin got a little bit greasy throughout the day or anything oily, you can bring your setting powder and just do some touch-ups. But this is just only if you need it. You don't have to do this at all. And you can do this before you apply your contour and foundation. I'm just doing it now because, not that I feel like I need it, but I just want to show you guys that it can be done. Okay, guys, so that is how to touch up your makeup in less than 5 minutes from daytime to nighttime. This is like so perfect if you're just leaving work and you don't have time to do a whole new makeup look, but you still want to spruce it up a little bit. This is like, it's so perfect, and I do this all the time because I just don't feel like it. You know, after a long day, I just don't feel like it. So I hope that this was really helpful for you guys. And if you have any questions or anything like that, as always, leave them down below in the comment sections. If you liked this video and you feel like supporting me and my channel, you could give it a big thumbs up for me. Also, you could hit that big old subscribe button. It really does do so much for my channel, and we won't miss out on each other in the future. So with that being said, can't wait to hang out with you guys next time. Bye!